So I'll be showing you how to record a video with both cameras on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Now I'm using the S24 Ultra, but this works on all the Galaxy S24s. So you simply need to go and launch the camera app on your phone. So this is what you're going to see when you launch the camera app. And you want to go to this more item here. So just scroll and select more. And you're going to see the option called dual record. Okay, so this option here, it's called dual record. And if you tap on it, it's going to launch both cameras of your phone. So you can see the front facing camera here, and then the view from the back camera here. So before you even start recording, here are a couple of things you can change. Now, of course, you have settings, which allows you to change a few things like grid lines, video stabilization, all that stuff. And then you have the resolution. You can choose between full HD at 30 frames per second and ultra HD also at 30 frames per second. And then you have this one that allows you to save the video either as previewed, or you can save the clips separately. So depending on what you want, you can choose whatever option you want. So if you tap on this, it's going to save video as previewed. And if you tap on it again, it's going to save videos as separate files. So this video and this video are going to be two separate files. And then of course you can change how it looks. This is a split screen mode with the front camera here and the back camera here. And then you have that, which is picture in picture view with the front camera here and then the back camera here. Now for the back camera, you can also tap here and choose the different lenses. You can have the ultra wide or the telephoto, depending on what you want really. And then once you're done with the settings, you can now just start the recording. Now for me, I'm going to save video as previewed, and then I'll just tap on record, and that's going to be my video. So I could be using this to show my face, as well as talk about this plant, for instance, and saying how green and how plastic this plant is. And when I'm done, just tap on stop. So let's look at our dual record camera to show my face, as well as talk about this plant, for instance. And that's basically how to shoot a video with both cameras on your Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.